Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Please Donate in Roblox. As you can see here on your mobile device, you just go right here, empty space, and claim this stand right here. You just hold tap right here and claim. And actually, I have now a game pass. So how you can do that and play this Please Donate in Roblox. So first, you need to open your Roblox on your Google Chrome. So type right here roblox.com and go to the homepage. And you need to go right here and log in your account. Then go to Create tab right here. So click this one and it will get you right here on this creation. So you need to click this your own place right here. So click this one and you are now on overview. Now on the left side of your screen, click on these associated items right here and go to these passes. And as you can see right here, I have pass already. So you just want to click this one. So you just upload your logo right over here, or here on the sales, you just have to toggle on this item for sale and put some value right here. The creator earning 70%, so I'll put 10 and then go and click on save changes. Now to create a sale right here, go back to creation and click these avatar items, and here you can upload your asset. For example, I want to sell a t-shirt, so I want to upload this one, upload an image. So for example, I will upload this logo right here and change the name right here, Fast Fix, and you can put the description, then click on upload. And here on this one, as you can see, I have now 8 t-shirt. So if I scroll it down, you just click this one. And then right here, as you can see, you can put on sale. So toggle on this on sale right here and put the price. So for example, I want to set this at 10 and click on save changes. But as you can see, you don't have enough right here. You don't have enough fans to sell these t-shirts. So for 10 Robux. So you need to buy this Robux right here. So you get to sell this one on that Please Donate. So we go back. So right here on your gameplay. So if you want to run on a empty stand right here, if I pick this one, for example, I want to go right here. So go this direction and claim this one. So tap and hold this stand and claim this one. So finally, you have gone a game pass on this Please Donate. So you can sell also the t-shirt right here if you buy some Robux. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.